Welcome. In this video we'll show you how to configure webcam protection in K7 consumer products. This protection enables you to block unauthorized webcam usage by hackers or untrusted apps from spying on you. Only trusted applications can able to access your webcam. To go to Webcam Protection, open K7, click on Details, scroll down and choose Privacy Protection. Over here you can modify settings related to webcam. You will have two options, either block all or restricted mode. As you can see, block all settings will block all applications from accessing the webcam. Restricted mode, which means it will also block all application, but you will get a pop-up requesting to allow or block. Once you clicked on Allow Further, this application will be moved to allowed list and only this application can able to access webcam. That's all about webcam protection in K7 consumer products. Thank you for watching.